Good morning, children. I welcome you all to this session of mathematics, and we are on to the chapter data handling. Now, children, in class third, we have already learned how to read pictographs, right? See, children, this topic itself, data handling, data is a set of informations, is a set of raw informations from which we have to derive some result, and they can be handled, they can be utilized basically in many ways, right? So this is what we will be studying in this chapter, right? And in class third we have already seen some part of this. Now see here that in January, see, this is a chart. The monthly sale January to June is represented in the following pictograph, right? Pictograph means a graph. It is having numbers which are in the form of pictures. You have to count them, right? Each this picture represents 10 computers. So that is in January, if the number of pictures are 12, so that means 120 computers have been sold, right? Now from this we should analyze. See, in Feb the maximum computers have been sold, the minimum are in March, right? So now from this we have to find out certain results. Now in which month was the sale minimum? It was in March, right? How many computers were sold in this 6 month period? You need to sum them up, right? You need to sum them up. And in which months 80 computers will sold? 80 computers will be sold in the month which is having 8 pictures, and you can see it is here in the month of June. So the correct answer to this is June. 80 computers were sold in the month of June, right? And this is how we interpret these pictographs. Now the next kind of tool for data handling is bar graph. In a bar graph, the data is represented by rectangles having fixed breadth length. Large depends upon the number of items, etc. There is a gap between the bars, right? Means these bars should not be clubbed together, right? Now see, in this picture the following bar graphs represent the sale of different items during a day in a shop, right? Now, which item has maximum sale, which item has a minimum sale, how many caps were sold more than ties, how many belts were sold, and each suggests how many shirts were sold. These are some questions which are there, which you have to find. Now, which item has maximum sale? See here, the tallest tower is of green, which is trousers. So the maximum sale was of trousers. Now, which item has minimum sale? See, the smallest one is this orange one, and this is what? Jacket. So jacket was the least sold. This is how we tend to do these graphs, right? Now see, firstly we need to prepare by counting the height of, see, the shirt height, it is touching 4, so that means number of items sold is 4. Similarly for trousers it is 10, right? And so on and so forth. And on the basis of this table here, right, we will be solving these questions on the basis of this table, right? Maximum sale of trousers is 10 items, maximum minimum sale of jackets is 3 items, right? And so on and so forth. Now see, this is an exercise given here, right? There is a bar graph here, and given below shows the number of computers sold every month from April to September by a shop which sells computers, right? So firstly we will be making a table out of it. How? See, for the month of April the graph is touching 8, so we will write April 8. May, it is touching 16, so for May we will write 16, right? Just like, see this one, just like the table which in the previous example, this table, you will be making another table. Now this table will be of month wise for this question, and then you will be answering the questions. In which month was the maximum sale of computers? We can see the tallest tower is given here, and that month is June, the orange one, right? And this, which month? The third, see the third question here. In which month was the least sale of computer? The smallest tower is the first one, right? This one, April. So the answer is April, and this is how we tend to do this exercise, right? This is a very simple thing to do, right? And but provided you are able to correlate and make the correct kind of towers, correct kind of chart from it, and you will have to correlate the tower with the data given here. See how you do it. You just redraw a straight line from there to there and just see to which number it is touching. If it is 10, then we'll write 10. If it's 11, we'll write 11, right? But the line should be very straight. It should not be curved. The best thing is to draw this line with the help of a scale, right? So I'm sure you enjoyed this as much as I did in making it, and until we meet again, it's a goodbye.